Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop, this Dell Inspiron 5110 model. Okay, this laptop after install Windows is not working the display, so I use the VGA cable for external display. Okay, this laptop problem is BIOS. So this problem is BIOS. You need to update the BIOS. If you update the BIOS, this problem will fix. After install Windows, not showing the display here. You have to use the HDMI or VGA. So guys, now you see the external display is working perfectly. So now after finish open the Windows, I have to download this BIOS setup and then I will upgrade. It will be work perfectly. Okay guys, now you can see our laptop is working on the external display. So now I will download this BIOS setup. So how can you download? Now I'll show you. So guys, here is to BIOS and 5110 and A11 the BIOS version, and down is the Intel graphics designer. So now I will install the BIOS. I will keep the link in description and you can download the BIOS driver. So I have already downloaded the BIOS driver. So now I have to install this BIOS on this laptop. Okay, yes, okay. So before you install the BIOS driver, you need battery charge in your laptop and plug the direct current. And now updating the BIOS, you can see start updating the BIOS. And when they start updating the BIOS, your laptop fan will be very high working. You can see fan working, the sound. And here erasing the BIOS and updating BIOS, programming new version. So after complete, take restart computer and you can see the BIOS version, current version is A03 to A11. That is the BIOS updating. Okay, see guys. So guys, after take complete the update BIOS, now I restart PC and check F2 and check the BIOS version is F11. The BIOS version is perfect now. And now I will take restart and check Windows is working perfectly. Now loading the Windows 10. So this BIOS version you can use Windows 10, 11, all the Windows version working. But A03 BIOS version not working, only work the Windows 7. Other Windows not working. And see guys, now here is the display working and external display also working. Two displays working together now. And see guys, I have to use now this laptop display and working perfectly. I have to remove the external display, the VGA connection, and here is working perfectly our laptop. Okay guys, so I will put the link in description like this Dell N5110 BIOS VGA update. So now here is the graphics driver. You can update the graphics driver also. Here is the video driver. So I will install now the video driver and it will be work. Continue. Okay, yes. Okay. And again. Okay guys, now you can see here is the Intel RSD graphics 3000. So select this and press yes. Now we'll install the graphics driver and it will be work perfectly. So this model laptop, everyone have the problem that if you install the Windows 10 is not working, the display is black. So that is the problem is BIOS. You have to upgrade the BIOS version A03 to A11. So after that you can see the laptop is working perfectly good. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video notification and hit the bell icon